Hey, how's it going, guys? I got a really interesting video for you guys today. Somebody hit me up today. They're asking if I was able to pull emails from an Instagram post that they had. So it's a really kind of a unique kind of request. So let me give you an example of this post right here. So this guy asked for, hey, post your email and I'll send you this like free podcast kind of thing, right? So every comment is pretty much an email, which is really good. So what you need to do is go to the post on your browser, go to Instagram web browser, go ahead and find the post that you want to rip, or if it's your own post or somebody else's post, whatever, I don't care. So here's go to the very bottom, and then you'll just keep going. If it's a lot of comments, you'll have to keep going down and down and down. Okay, so let's say we want to pull all these emails. So all we need to do is go to the very, very bottom, go ahead and highlight from here, and then you'll just highlight all the way up for as many comments as you need, okay? So obviously you don't want that guy's comment, so let's go ahead and copy all these comments. I'm going to press Control C to grab all the comments and go into my Excel file. And okay, so once you have all your contacts copied, so go ahead and just click in a cell in Excel and just Control V, or you can go ahead and paste however you want to get the data in. So just go ahead and paste it in. So the first thing you want to do is don't left click, because if you left click, some of these are actual links and it'll bring you to their profile, which obviously you don't want to go to this dude's profile. So you're gonna right click on it, right click on the pictures, and then go ahead and click Control A. So Control A, it selects all the images on here. So we can go ahead and just get rid of all of those images in one shot. So I just selected delete and all the images are gone. Okay, so now we have all of these. It has their username, it has the email, or not the email, it has their comment, which has email in it, and then it has the timestamp pretty much, okay? So we need to be able to filter out these emails to make into a usable list that's row by row. So instead of this like ugly format. So what we need to do is, first things first, so let's go ahead and add a column. So we have a column in the back and a column in the front. So the formula we're going to use is something called if isnumber search. So the first thing is we're going to do if, and then the is number search. So first part of the formula is the search. So we're going to be looking in this cell, and we're going to be looking for the @ symbol. Okay, because every email has an @ in it. So we're going to find that text within this cell, and then we're just going to go ahead and close that up and then close it again, and we're going to put equals true, comma 1, comma 0. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and drag that all the way down. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, so every time it finds an @ it puts the number 1, @ 1, @ 1. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to parse it out so it can do the 1 and 2s, and then we're gonna do something called vlookup to pull it out. So we're gonna do if this equals 0, then pull the cell on the top, otherwise do the cell on the top plus 1. Okay, then we're just gonna put a 0 right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and drag this formula down too, and I'll show you what it does. Okay, so every time it finds a number 1, it adds a number to this one. Okay, so it finds @ 2, and then it finds @ again, it turns this to a 3. So the next thing we're going to do is make a number list, drag that down as far down as you think, as many emails or whatever you're looking for is in here. Okay, so all we need to do now is do vlookup, click on here, we're going to select this as the vlookup range because we're looking for the 1s, the 2s, so we can pull it in. So we're going to do this is the array, and then the column number is trying to pull in 2, and then false. And once we have that, then we just go ahead and push the formula down, and there we go. And then we have the email list. So the next thing you probably want to do is you're going to want to paste this as values, because if it's not a value, you can't really edit the individual contents of it because it's still this formula. So go ahead and paste it as a value, and then you can go ahead and parse out some of this data that's unusable, like these people are adding extra stuff that isn't their email. Go ahead and delete that stuff so people have some images, and that's a pretty quick way to do it. If you see a constant, like there's a ton of people posting this spaceship probably in hearts, you can just go ahead and do that, do a find and replace for that image, and just replace it with blank, And then as you can see, they're all gone. So we can do this too. All these stupid hand symbols, those are all gone. Look for all these hundreds. That's gone. So these hearts. Okay, and that's a quick way. And there we go. Just like that, we have, how many emails do we have? We have 308 emails, all relevant to this guy's post, entrepreneurs, some kind of podcast. And that is the simple and dirty way of pulling email addresses from an Instagram post. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Laters.